address these solutions in this country. Last but not least, this is a first, and I'll be announcing this because CS reminded me that 9 years ago, you were the first to go to our late CEO, Bob, to challenge him that we need to have standing orders on M-Pesa. This is the first initiative where you will have standing orders on a mobile platform. The first in the world, not just the first in Africa. So very happy that CS has been part of that. And we will not just use it for this project, Your Excellency. We were talking with CS, we're going to look at it across, even in health and other areas. Because we understand this economy, it's a kadogo economy. We need to break things down to increase accessibility and affordability. And so somebody may not be able to have 500 shillings at a go to pay for NHIF, but if you can break it down to 17 bob a day, then they can be able to access. Your Excellency, I'm here and it would not be right for me to introduce the team from Safaricom, the young people who've worked on this great innovation. Allow me to ask you to stand up kindly, the team from Safaricom. These are young developers, young product engineers. Your Excellency, you know we've worked with you on Hustler. We've worked on e-fertilizer. The other time I told you that the young people of this country, through the power of technology, are going to take Kenya to the next level. As Africans, you may be seated. Many times we say and see that we have many problems and challenges. But I see our problems and challenges as opportunities to actually use innovation, to use technology, to use our brains, to use creativity, to step up to the next level. This type of solution proves the power of innovation in Africa. It proves that we can actually do it. That when we think about all the various challenges we face, we should think about how we can address them. As Safaricom, we are committed to not just work with these partners, but with any partners to address these challenges. In closing, I'd like to say that we will not be remembered for the problems we identified, but we will be remembered for the problems we solved. Thank you.